Hello friends, welcome back to HTML tutorials. But before we dive into the topic, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like the video. In the previous video, we laid the foundations for the HTML language. We learned about the structure of an HTML page and some basic tags needed for an HTML page, such as the HTML tag, which marks the beginning and the end of the web page, the head tag, which defines the head section of the page, the title tag, which defines the title in the head tag, and the body tag, where all the content goes. Today, we will be looking at some formatting tags like the header tag, the paragraph tag, the line break tag, and some attributes of the following tags. First up, we have the header tag. Header tag is used to define headings in a web page. Headings are displayed in larger and bolder fonts than normal body text. HTML headings come in 6 levels, from 1 to 6, 1 being the largest. The syntax for the header tag is as follows. Here, n is the number from 1 to 6 which defines the level of heading. As the header tag is a container tag, we have the opening tag and a closing tag. And we will have the heading enclosed within. Now let's apply this practically. First, we will open a code editor such as Sublime Text and save it with the .html extension. Now we can start coding. First, we will have to use the HTML tag and close it. Within the HTML tag, we will first have the head tag, which defines the head section. And let's close it. Inside the head section, we have the title tag. Let's say basics. And we need to close it as well. Next, we have the body tag. Inside the body tag, we will be using our header tag. Let's use the highest level of heading, which is H1. For comparison, let's write a text outside the header tag. Let's save it and view this in a browser. As you can see, the heading is much bigger and bolder than the normal body text. The default alignment of a header tag is on the left, but we don't always want that. So, to change the alignment of the header tag, we have the attribute align. Align attribute has 3 values: right, left, and center. So let's use this. First, we will write the attribute name, which is align. We will use the equals to sign, and in quotations, we will put the value. Let's say center. Let's save this and refresh. As you can see, the heading is now aligned in center. Now, let's display these 3 paragraphs on our web page. Are you satisfied with this output? Obviously not. You wanted it to be formatted in the same manner as we had written here. But HTML does not recognize enters, tab, and more than one space. So, for this, we have the p tag. The p tag defines paragraphs. So, we can enclose the paragraphs inside the p tags in this manner. Now let's go ahead and see the output. Well, this is somewhat better, but we also wanted a line break here. For this, we can use the br tag. The br tag is used wherever we need a line break. Also, the br tag is an open tag, so we do not need any closing tag. This is how we use the br tag. Now, let's see the output on the web browser. Well, this is exactly what we wanted. But let's say we wanted to align this paragraph in the center. For this, we can use the align attribute of the p tag. The align attribute, similar to the align attribute of the h1 tag, has 3 properties: right, left, and center. So we need to write the attribute name equals to sign and in quotes center. As you can see, the paragraph has been aligned to the center. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will be learning some more formatting tags and making a beautiful web page.